Hello guys, and welcome back again to another USO tutorial. In this video I will show you how to remove the background behind your bitmaps. First of all, there is like multiple methods to do so, but first let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's for example get into one of these bitmaps and let's click on them. As you can see, there is this background behind it. Sometimes there is some movement background that is so annoying to be watched while playing and can't keep you focused on the game itself. So how can we remove this background? What you gotta do is basically go to also and then options, and then from here you can go down a little bit and you can choose a skin without any background behind it. For example, you can just go to Google, and here you can download also skins without background, and from here you can have a lot of skins that have no background from the community. The second step, which is going to your also folder and then skins and then your skin name, and from here you go look for background. For example, these two are backgrounds, and let's look for everything a background that is existing in this skin, like this fail background. And again, what you're gonna do is deleting these backgrounds and replacing them with a PNG file that has no background in it. The third method, which is going to also bitmaps, and for example let's choose this bitmap, and let's check another one like this one. It's not currently having this option, but for example let's say for example you had this one, and when this bitmap has background behind it, it will give you two options: download like that or download with video background. You can choose either you want to download it with the video background, it means with like a background behind the bitmap moving around while you are playing, which will maybe cause you to lose, or you can just download a normal background like this one behind it, or you can just download the bitmap without any background, like black background. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.